confident.
Shut up.
Kick her out. Gavin, stop it.
Don't be good.
Kick her.
Turn, you piece of crap!
Booming voice. Make her listen. Okay, now go. Kick her.
I don't want to walk shot low.
You can do it, I believe.
Shut up, Gavin!
Tristan, knock it off.
I believe. I believe in Steve. I believe.
I'm not Steve.
Oh, whoa.
You got a crazy dog, mother.
Around the bush. Around the mare. Mulberry bush we go.
Oh. Hey. Oh.
Around the mulberry bush we
Go up and around, sis. Make her climb a little. Oh. Oh.
Hey, Mom! We're training for the endurance!
Yeah.
But the endurance,
Whoa. Sorry, Mama.
but the endurance doesn't it have English saddles?
No, they have endurance saddles.
Which is kind of like English?
Whoa. Whoa. Good job.
You didn't jump.
Keep going.
See? After a few butt kicking, she's going. This is so cool. We should just have rides out here, Mom.
Yeah, this is cool.
We know where to ride now and take videos. We gotta, the boring old, our boring old houses, Mom.
Yeah.
This has more stuff.
Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get up here to take a picture as you go around the thing. Whoa, Mare. Whoa. Okay, go. Come on. Closer. Okay.
Actually, just stay down.
Whoa. She's pooping, or did poop. She gonna go down?
Probably not. You want to go down first?
Let's go this way.
What way?
Up that way. Up.
This way?
Yeah, right there. Whoa. Okay, now come back down. Whoa. Good job, sis.
I could have came down right here.
Yeah, but I wanted to show it with her going.
Are we heading back?
No, I'm just getting some video footage down in the culverts or in the washes.
Jasper, little one.
Come on, guys. Whoa.
Deep culverts down here.
Yes, they are.
Go, you. Go.
Okay, you're on, sis.
Wait, I'm writing my initials.
Hey. Come on.
Write your initials, Mom.
No, I'm good. You know what I mean?
Ugh. There's a big spider. That's that.
Cool. Yeah? Hey, hey, hey. Holy cow.
It was little one.
No, my horse was falling.
Oh.
Whoa.
Big Ben, here he comes. Is he videoing?
Yeah, I'm videoing. Right or backwards, sister? Come on, you can do it.
Yeah, I'm not out here in the open.
Why?
Oh, here, get a video of this.
I am.
That was perfect.
That was perfect. Oh. Woo! Whoa. Perfect. Keep going.